Hey content marketers, are you getting tired of working out? Or can't you rank the content properly? Or want to boost organic traffic? Not only is it expensive to pay for different tools to research, outline, and audit your performance, but you're also wasting time learning how to integrate everything. What if you had every tool to speedrun SEO and claim top search positions on one dashboard? So for you, today I will discuss such an app which can automatically optimize and rank any content. There will be a real traffic boost. Let's get started. The app one have talked about so far is Contentpace. This app will analyze the top 50 organic search results and create detailed content briefs based on high-ranking competitor articles. Automatically incorporate NLP-powered writing suggestions to optimize your content for search engines. Feature: boosts organic SEO traffic in minutes with an AI-powered content optimizer. Pull the top 50 search results to analyze your biggest competitors. Create detailed content briefs using real competitor articles as a guide. Automatically optimize your drafts for ranking and readability at the same time. Analyze your live content and the top 50 organic search results to identify areas for improvement. Automatically incorporate NLP-powered writing suggestions to optimize your content for search engines. And many more features which are very useful. People who need this app: bloggers, marketers, marketing agencies. Price: the Contentpace has 3 regular plans. Essential, perfect for freelance writers, SEO experts and small teams. Build monthly $27 and yearly $270. Team, perfect for startups, affiliates and marketing teams. Build monthly $57 and yearly $570. And agency, perfect for scale-ups, publishers and content agencies, but they have a lifetime deal for a limited time. They have 7 offers in this deal, arranged in 3 patterns. Single, for $79 instead $447. Double, for $158 instead $897. And Multiple, in this case, they have 5 codes. 3 codes, for $237 instead $1,347. For codes, for $316 instead $1,797. 5 codes, for $395 instead $2,997. 6 codes, for $474 instead $4,097. And 7 codes, for $553 instead $6,097. Alternatives to Contentpace are ClearScope, Market News, and SurferSEO. ClearScope, they have 3 plans. Essentials, everything you need to get started optimizing content for $170 monthly. Business, advanced functionality for productive content teams. This is a custom pricing format, so you need to contact them for this plan. And Enterprise, custom solutions for businesses that produce content at scale. It also is a custom pricing format, so you need to contact them for this plan, and they do not have any lifetime deals. Market News, they also have 3 plans. 1 is free, put your best foot forward with every content you publish. Standard, accelerate your content research, creation, and optimization process for $600 a month and $6,000 per year. Premium, plan and assess strategically with advanced features, personalized data and content intelligence for at least $12,000 plus a year, starting at. And they also do not have any lifetime deals. SurferSEO, they have 4 plans, and they accept both types of payment systems, monthly and yearly. Basic, monthly payment of $59 and the annual payment of $49 per month. Pro, monthly payment of $119 and the annual payment of $99 monthly. Business, monthly payment of $239 and the annual payment of $199 per month. Enterprise, this is the custom plan. If you want to take this plan, contact them, and they also do not have any lifetime deals. Customer reviews. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 151 reviews on Appsumo, and on Capterra has 100 reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today.